Welcome to the Grow a Healthy Garden channel. This is a channel that I've created just to help more people grow their own food. And I don't care if you're growing in something simple and small, like just a little pot like this, maybe a small raised bed, or maybe something a little bigger. I'm here to give you all the education, tips and tricks, and everything you need so that you can have a green thumb and make sure that you grow your own food in a completely healthy way. Now, it is my opinion that more people need to eat real food in their life. And if you grow it yourself, you're more inclined to eat it. So I'm not only going to educate you and show you how to grow this food, but I'm also going to give you recipes and show you how to eat these kind of healthy foods, because maybe you don't even know how to include them in your daily diet. So definitely subscribe to the channel, enjoy the education, enjoy the recipes, enjoy learning how to live a healthy life by growing a healthy garden.